Now, our feature presentation.
All right, y'all. Let's try to wrap this up. I had left my batteries in the house. I thought I had them out here with me. So, I'm gonna try to start up there on the front sprocket. Instead of back here on the back. I'm tripping, y'all. I got this sucker way over the top. What am I doing? I don't know why I got this joker way up here. All right, now don't you fall off. guess maybe if I put the link in here, yeah, it'll help instead of going round and around with it, y'all. I'm out of there. All right, Brandon. Go get some paper towels, something I can. It's not as thick. Man, this damn chain too long. The fuck? Something had to slow me down. This dang chain is too long. Something had to slow me down. It was going fairly too easy, y'all. If I may say. It wasn't too bad. Even though I was struggling a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. Let's see how much longer this chain is than my chain. Well, I tell you, folks will sell you anything. They supposed to know. They gonna sell me this big old chain. Uh-oh. See how much longer this is than my new chain. I mean my old chain. Come on now. I mean, they're the same length, but it's stretched out. It shouldn't be as long as this old chain, because the old chain is stretched out. The old one is on the left, and the new one is on the right. It's the same length. That shouldn't be it. How many links is this chain? The back of this motherfucker is in Spanish. I mean Japanese. How many links is this sucker? It's 120. I believe I need 118. 120 is gonna be too long. Let me call these folks. I need 118 link. Not 120. Yeah, I need 118. This 120. Let me call these folks.
Lake Hill Motors?
Yes, sir. I had stopped in earlier and brought a chain.
Yeah.
I think the one I got was 120 links. I need 118 links.
All right, let me give you parts, guys.
Okay.
East Annex in Corinth. Lake Hill Motors and Marine. Easy to find, hard to beat. Please remain on the line. Your call is next. You want to enjoy your motorcycle, ATV, UTV, or watercraft. Not have it tied up getting service or repairs. That's why at Lake Hill Motors and Marine, certified service team is dedicated to keep you safe and provide you with the professional, reliable service you need. When it comes to service, Lake Hill Motors and Marine means business. You can rely on Lake Hill Motors and Marine for everything from routine oil changes and winterizations to engine building and suspension tuning, engine overhauling, fuel injector cleaning, insurance repairs, and more. Plus, our parts department has an extensive inventory of OEM replacement parts, as well as innovative add-ons. We can help you find everything you need to service, upgrade, and
Let me see if my
customize your
girlfriend let me
vehicle.
borrow her
And we
car.
also have all the
My
accessories
truck don't got air in
you
it,
need, from
so.
helmets, gloves, and footwear to wetsuits, novelty items, and a full line of riding and high-end leather apparel. We'll be right back to assist you. You can also request parts and service online at lakehillmotors.com. From off-road to the open road and the open waters, Lake Hill Motors and Marine, 18,000 square foot showroom featuring the best in motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, personal watercrafts, and power equipment. We're an authorized Bentley, Honda, and Yamaha power sport dealership. And in addition to our extensive lineup of new inventory, we also have great specials on pre-owned motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, personal watercraft, power equipment, and more. Don't forget, we also buy used motorcycles, ATVs, and personal watercraft. So stop in and get an idea of what your equipment may be worth for sale or trade. In need of a trailer? We can help you there too. We sell trailers made of heavy-duty angle iron and come with new wheels and tires. We appreciate your patience. A team member will assist you in just a moment. It's a great day here at Lake Hill Motors and Marine. Please be assured, we'll be right back with you. They say there's nothing better than a classic, and at Lake Hill Motors and Marine, we tend to agree. That's why we feature our Classic Museum, filled with some of the finest classic cars and bikes for sale in our classics collection. Check out the Classics Museum at our store, or view it online at lakehillmotors.com. Thank you for choosing Lake Hill Motors and Marine. A team member will be right with you. From an extensive inventory of new and pre-owned motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, UTVs, personal watercrafts, and more, we may have the lowest prices in America. Plus, we can also provide you with years of worry-free enjoyment with our factory-certified service technicians and huge OEM parts department. And now that you've got the ride, you need the gear, and Lake Hill Motors and Marine has a full line of gear and accessories. We cater to the needs of all riders, from touring and cruising to racing and watercraft performance. Don't have time to stop in? No problem. Visit us online at lakehillmotors.com, and you can shop securely and conveniently, view new and pre-owned inventory, use our Easy Parts Finder, see our service specials, check out our Classics Museum, get our location and hours, and sign up for our monthly newsletter. And for the latest happenings, events, and exclusive offers, join us on Facebook and check out our YouTube channel. We look forward to servicing you. Assistance is just moments away.